Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup DaVinci Resolve projects with Studio Backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your DaVinci Resolve projects using Studio Backups, start by launching DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the software is open, navigate to the Project Manager window. You can find the Project Manager by clicking on the File menu at the top left. Select Project Manager from the drop-down options. In the Project Manager window, locate the project you wish to backup. Right-click on the project name to open a context menu. From the menu, choose Export Project. A dialog box will appear prompting you to choose a location to save the backup file. Select your desired folder and give the backup file a meaningful name. Ensure the file format is set to .drp, which is a project file format for DaVinci Resolve. Click Save to create the backup file of your project. To ensure your backup is complete, you can navigate to the folder where you saved it. Verify the file is listed and correctly named. If you need to backup multiple projects, repeat the process for each project. Another method for backing up projects involves using the studio's built-in backup feature. To access this feature, go to the Preferences section under the File menu. In the Preferences window, select the Project Settings tab. Scroll down to find the Database section. Here, you can enable automatic backups by checking the corresponding box. Adjust the settings to specify the frequency and the maximum number of backups to keep. This ensures your projects are backed up automatically at regular intervals. Once you have set your preferences, click Save. Remember that periodic manual backups may still be necessary for an extra layer of security. After setting up automatic backups, close the Preferences window. You can continue working on your projects with peace of mind. In the event of a software failure or data loss, you can easily restore your projects. Simply open DaVinci Resolve and return to the Project Manager. Click on the Import Project option in the Project Manager. Locate the previously saved .drp backup file. Select the file and click Open to import your project back into DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.